Good morning to one and all. Children, today we are going to start our next chapter, that is fourth chapter, keyboard. Let us see what are we going to cover in this chapter. It is written on the top, topics covered. Keyboard, alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, symbol keys, arrow keys, special keys like enter key, space bar, backspace key, delete key, caps lock key and shift key. These are the various type of keys which we can see on keyboard. We are going to study about these keys in this chapter. Let us start. Keyboard. A keyboard is an important part of a computer. It has many buttons which are called keys. Children, we know that a keyboard is a very important part of a computer. It has many buttons which are called keys. कीबोर्ड एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट है आपके कंप्यूटर का. कीबोर्ड में बहुत सी बटन्स होती हैं जो आपने देखी हैं. इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? वी कॉल देम कीज. हम इन्हें कीज बोलते हैं. दीज कीज आर प्रेस्ड टू एंटर वर्ड्स और नंबर्स इनटू अ कंप्यूटर. इन कीज को हम प्रेस करते हैं टू एंटर वर्ड्स एंड नंबर्स. हम अल्फ़ाबेट्स, वर्ड्स, नंबर्स कंप्यूटर में हम लिख सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज कीज व्हेन वी विल प्रेस देम. दीज कीज आर also used to give instructions into a computer. We can give instructions with the help of these keys on computer. बच्चों, हम इन कीज को प्रेस करते हुए इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे सकते हैं कंप्यूटर को. ओके, सो दीज कीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. These keys help us to give instructions into a computer to perform some task. Now we will revise the uses and functions of some keys like the alphabet keys, space bar, backspace key and the enter key. Children, now in this chapter we are going to revise the uses of few keys and their functions. These are alphabet keys, space bar, backspace key and the enter key. Here you can see a flow chart. Keys, alphabet keys, arrow keys, symbol keys, function keys, number keys. We are going to discuss about these 5 kind of keys today. Let's have a look. Let us read about few keys. First, alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys marked with A to Z. These keys help to type words and sentences. With the help of alphabet keys, children, we type words and sentences. These are total 26 from A to Z. You can see here in the picture. Next is number keys. The keys marked with digits 1, 2, 3 and so on, 9 and 0 are the number keys. They are 10 in number. They are used to type numbers and digits. Children, with the help of number keys, we type numbers and digits. These are how many in total? These are 10 in number. These are only 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. Number keys are present at two places on the keyboard. आपको नंबर कीज दो जगह दिखाई देंगी कीबोर्ड में. First, on the upper row of the alphabet keys, alphabet keys के ऊपर. Next, on the right of the keyboard, this is called the numeric keypad. और आपके कीबोर्ड के राइट हैंड साइड पर इसको हम न्यूमेरिक कीपैड भी बोलते हैं. You can see here in the picture. Next, function keys. The topmost row on the keyboard marked as F1 to F12 are the function keys. Each of these keys function keys. The topmost row on the keyboard marked as F1 to F12 are the function keys. Each of these keys is used for some specific task or a function. There are total 12 function keys. These are on the topmost row of the keyboard. कीबोर्ड में सबसे ऊपर आपको फंक्शन कीज देखने को मिलेंगी. From F1 to F12 and each key has some or the other specific function. हर की का अपना specific task and function है. Next is symbol keys. These keys are also present on the alphabet keys or number keys. These keys are marked with digits as well as symbols. Children, we can see symbol keys. It is present on the alphabet keys also and number keys also. You can see in the keyboard alphabet की साथ में भी लिखी होती हैं और number keys के साथ में भी. To type the symbols like @ percentage and star plus, ये सब जो सिंबल्स हैं ये अगर हमें लिखने हैं टाइप करने हैं then we need to press the shift key along with that symbol key. हमें shift key के साथ में ही symbol key को प्रेस करना होगा. Why? Because these symbols are there on alphabet keys and number keys. कुछ नंबर कीज पे और कुछ अल्फ़ाबेट कीज पे ये सिंबल बने हुए हैं, तो हमें इनको टाइप करने के लिए शिफ्ट के साथ में दबाना पड़ेगा. हम शिफ्ट बटन को साथ में प्रेस करते हुए इन सिंबल्स को प्रेस करेंगे, इन कीज को. नेक्स्ट इज एरो कीज. देयर आर 4 एरो कीज which are used to move the cursor up, down, left and right. कितने arrow keys हैं? There are 4 arrow keys. With the help of arrow keys, we can move our cursor up, down, left and right. The upward direction, see, it is used to move the cursor upward. जो arrow ऊपर की तरफ बना है, it is used to move the cursor upwards. And next, the down arrow key, it is used to move the cursor downward. Next, the right one, it is used to move the cursor one character right, and the arrow marked on the left, it is used to move the cursor one character left. So, with the help of these arrow keys, we move the cursor upward, downward, left and right. Function keys. The top